Welcome to the 7-Day Weight Loss Challenge, Shed Pounds in 1 Week. Day 1, detox your body by drinking plenty of water and eating nutrient-rich, whole foods. Cut out processed sugars and focus on lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables. Day 2, incorporate short, intense bursts of exercise into your routine. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, torches calories and boosts your metabolism. Day 3, get moving. Take a brisk walk, jog, or participate in a fun cardio workout. Remember, consistency is key. Day 4, increase your fiber intake by enjoying foods like beans, whole grains, and fresh produce. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer, promoting weight loss. Day 5, swap your regular snacks with healthier options like nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt. These choices are packed with nutrients and keep hunger at bay. Day 6, cut back on refined carbohydrates, like white rice and bread. Opt for complex carbs, such as quinoa and sweet potatoes, which provide sustained energy. Day 7, incorporate strength training exercises to build lean muscle. Strength training not only burns calories but also boosts your metabolism long after your workout.